What's good, YouTube? It's Lord Shift here. We're back at it again with another banger video. And as you can see, man, we got the cat outside today. Finally, it's been about 5 years since the cat been outside, man. I've been trying to get this part 2 for a long time. So I'm gonna give y'all part 2 on this POV drive with a Hellcat. If y'all don't already know, man, that's SRT Nick lacking in the back. Feel me? That's my brother, SRT Nick. Y'all asked for it, so we're gonna give y'all another POV drive. We are gonna go through the city and go crazy, make the exhaust scream and all that. So stay tuned to the end. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, comment, and turn on post notifications. I ain't gonna do too much talking. We gonna get straight to it. So as y'all can see, we got that go mango color Widebody Hellcat. Feel me? It is a cat. It is supercharged. Still slow as shit, but it's cool. Feel me? Do whine and all that. Y'all gonna hear that in the video. Just stay tuned. We gonna turn y'all up. Then you got the RT Lord Shift Mobile 5.7 liter V8 Dodge Charger, completely stock, nothing done to it. His car is pushing about 750 straight pipe. They got a whole aftermarket exhaust on it. And then we got my completely stock ass car. But once again, I ain't gonna do too much talking. I know y'all ready to see this POV, so let's get straight to it. All right, guys, before we get started and go on this little drive through the city, I just want to let you guys know this is a 2019 Dodge Charger RT. Completely stock, nothing done to it performance-wise. Just the mid-muffler and resonator delete. It does still have the cats on. Also, we're going to be in track mode, and in order to get track mode, you do have to purchase the Z Automotive Taser. I will put that link in the description below. And if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you guys go check that out on my channel. But that pretty much just opens the exhaust, you know, fully. I'm not sure how it is compared to Sport, but it opens the exhaust all the way, and it also gives it a better response. But yeah, that's about it. And also, that's a Go Mango. You're lacking. That's a Go Mango Widebody Hellcat. Yeah. And we out. That was the Hellcat talking to me, telling me to let's fucking go, because I think the Hellcat's ready. What y'all think? I think the Hellcat's ready. Look at that thing. That thing crazy. That thing crazy in the rear view. All right, we got a little bump right here. All right, guys, we got the Hellcat in the rear view. Look at that thing. She looking good, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. That wine sounds good. Yes, sir. Let's get it, y'all. Man, that white car in the way and shit. Yeah, it knew what to do. It knew what to do. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Can I get over? Almost red line. Damn, bro, that's a lot of traffic right now. I'm trying to get around this shit, cuz blowing me. I'm gonna tell you what to do. Huh? What, back there? Yeah. They not on us though. I've been saw them. Damn, bro. It's hard to go crazy for y'all, man. It's all this fucking traffic. That motherfucker sound crazy, y'all. Once again, guys, if you do not know, that is SRT Nick. His channel will be in the description below. That is my brother. So go sub to him. If you sub to me, go sub to him. Let me know if y'all want a part 3 to this shit too. bust it right. God. The RT pulling too. Don't get it twisted. This motherfucker keeping up with the Hellcat for now. But once again, man, let me know what y'all think about these POVs. Let me know what y'all think about these POV drives. If y'all fuck with them, let me know. My last one I did blew up like crazy. It got like 11K views in a day. My best video out, 1 out of 10. So let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all gotta turn this video up for sure. I need all fire emoji comments down below. And if you sub to me, go sub to him. That's RT Nick. I think you should be able to make another left. Follow me. There we go, straight road. Yes, sir, y'all. Damn, these lights is literally digging us. Let's get it, y'all. My God. A lot of shit going on right now. Right? You hear that? You was nowhere near him.
Exactly.
Huh?
You wanna go in the trench too?
It don't matter.
Go in the trench, nigga.
At this point, then we could just drive.
Yeah.
But just follow me. He just asked if we wanted to go through the hood with it. But I think, for real, I think we should make that a separate video. My opinion. Oh, pothole. It's the one thing about the city, man. Potholes everywhere. If y'all turn this video up, we gonna go through the trenches and do a POV drive in the hood with a Hellcat. Did I just run a stop sign? I don't know if, nah, I didn't. I'm good. I thought I ran a stop sign for a second. Safety first, y'all. Always make sure y'all strapped in with y'all seatbelts before y'all drive. Safety first. We can make it right. What am I doing? I'm tweaking. Oh, I'm sliding a little bit. All right, y'all. I think it's time to go in a manual. Let's slap this motherfucker in a manual. First gear, starting off. What y'all think he should do to his car? Y'all think he should wrap it? I think he should wrap it. Or get like white stripes with the white logo. That shit will look hard. Probably wrap it like matte black or some shit. And then get like white stripes probably. I don't know. But I feel like the bright orange is like popping like crazy. Like it's too noticeable. Like I feel like he'll be lacking everywhere. Try to hear that exhaust. Y'all hear that exhaust? Oh, not the Dodge Dart. Move that shit. Move that little Dodge Dart. Move that little thing. Now we running into a lot of traffic now. All right, we're gonna try and get to the left. Actually, we could probably go straight a little bit more. shit through this motherfucker. Yo, I almost banged out. Let's do a second gear pull. Of course the light had to get us. Damn. Alright, we leaving the city low key. So if we can like bust a little U-turn right here and go back into the city, we'll be straight. Alright, y'all, we spinning the block now. Oh, look at that vet. Or no, that was a Ferrari. What the fuck? Oh my god, you see that shit? I know you saw that shit. Oh, Brembos. Brembos. It's like, nah, we got these regular ass brakes on this RT. Look at that big cat. Big cat. What's that behind us? Oh, that's a vet. It's a motherfucking vet. What do you want, smoke? Saying I ain't not even paying us no mind. Alright guys, so, oh my god, what is that? An AMG? Golly. So we got a cop behind us right now. Once this light turns green, we're just gonna fucking take off on his ass. So make sure y'all stay tuned until the end of the video for this little police chase. And let's get to it, man. Come on, wait for it to turn green. It's like, nah, that's not a cop. Oh my god. Oh, I just redlined the fuck out of my car. I forgot I was a manual. I'm tweaking. That's not a cop though, yo. That was a regular person. Yo, I just redlined the fuck out of my car. That was bad. Yo, I just redlined like shit. But yeah, yo, that wasn't a cop. That's a regular ass nigga. Look at the vet. He think he's sweet. Oh shit. Oh, my brakes sound crazy. Brembos. If we get a part 3 of this, man, we gonna go on like a highway or the trenches or something where it's not as many lights. Feel me? Just for motivational purposes only. If we take this through the Powell's is crazy. If we take this through the trenches, it's only gonna be for motivational purposes only. Oh my god. Let me go back in manual. Make sure y'all remind me that I'm in manual so I don't redline my shit again. I almost blew my engine, bro. 5.7 sound good, boy. This bitch sound like a cat. Got the nice ass taxi cab. That bitch sexy. Motherfucker, 500,000 horsepower. Oh shit. Oh, feel like I'm in a motherfucking cat. Oh 5.7 pushing. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm drawing. Yo, the 5.7 getting back. What's going on? Five seven sounding crazy. Yeah, oh ain't like that. Oh, he ain't like that, man. Yeah. He want to race. Oh, I think I was in manual. I'm drawing. Y'all ain't remind me I was in manual. I got to get out of manual when I'm recording, bro. Oh, go ahead, chatting. What'd he say? He about to bust his ass. Chatting. What do you say? What happened? Yeah, I got you. Yeah, you gotta do a dance for him. Oh, she drawing. Yo, they drawing. Oh my God. Nah, this video gonna be tough, yo. Y'all gotta turn this shit up, bro. I know y'all see the 5.7 on it. Oh, this motherfucker look crazy. You got the cat. You can't even see the cat, but look at that. Oh my God. Little roller for y'all. Got a calm little roller for y'all. But I'm about to tell him to park in a second so we can wrap it up. I'm gonna end the video with a couple revs, a couple clips of the wine so y'all can hear that, and a couple clips of my wine too. I know you guys want to see my 2019 Dodge Charger RT Snailcat wine like a bitch, so I'm gonna show y'all in a second. But yeah, this is track mode, by the way. I already told y'all that. And yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I smell straight fucking brakes. I think it's my brakes. We gonna give y'all one more pull in the RT. Automatic, track mode. Let's get it. One more pull. Let me get a good angle for y'all. Hopefully it's no cars sitting in front of me, cause look, watch this dude get right in front of me. Oh my God, bro, I'm about to literally crash into this nigga. I think he said a cop. I know he didn't, because I don't see one. Damn, bro. Can't even do a pull for y'all, bro. We're gonna go into a parking lot. But we're gonna wrap it up right here, actually. Let me actually throw a couple clips of the wine. I gotta show y'all the wine from both ends real quick. So stay tuned. Before this video ends, y'all gotta watch this last part. Big SRT, man. Big supercharger. And that right there is gonna end the video, y'all. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you're new to my channel. Get me to 10K subs, man. We're only going up from here, man. We're gonna turn up all summer 23. So make sure y'all smash that subscribe button. Definitely like and comment. And also turn on post notifications. 90% of you guys who watch my videos are not subscribed, so just do me a favor, man. Help a brother out and subscribe. It's only free to support. But it's Lord Shift, and we out.